Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw flowers. So I am going to teach you a variety of flowers, and I would like you to use those flowers and make a picture however you want using those different flowers. So I want you to practice drawing each of the different petal shapes more than one time. Maybe we'll aim for a total of 10 different flowers. So, to start, we are going to draw a small circle like this for the center of our flower. Now the first petal shape we are going to learn is going to be round. So a rounded petal goes up, around, and down. And see, it's rounded, kind of like a circle. Then I can draw another petal, up, around, and down, and go all the way around that circle. You might have more petals than me, or you might have less. Good, so that's the rounded petal shape. Then you can go ahead and draw that flower a few more times. Now I'm going super fast just for this video. I want you to take your time. The next flower we are going to learn is the pointed petal flower. So for the pointed petal flower, you are going to start by drawing a small circle, then draw a line that goes up like this, comes to a point, so it's curved, starts at the point, and comes down. Point, down. And go all the way around that circle. Then draw that flower again. Now you don't have to use black marker. I'm just doing this so you can see better. You can use any type of crayons, colored pencils, markers you have, and then go back in and fill your flowers with color. The next flower we are going to learn has a squared petal. So we are going to start again with a small circle. You can choose anywhere on your paper. And our petals are going to be kind of squared, but we can also make the line a little bit bumpy to make it look more natural. So I go up, and I can go straight across like this, and then down, so it's kind of squared, or even kind of like an upside down triangle. Or I can go like this. I can go up, kind of bend the line, and down. Up. So you can decide which one you like better, or maybe a mixture of the two. Good. Then go ahead and draw that flower a few more times on your paper. Again, no need to rush. The next flower we are going to draw is a layered flower. So this flower will have layers of petals, or more than one row. So I'm going to start with the center of the flower by drawing a small circle. This time it will be a little bit bigger. And I'm going to draw little petals, a little bumpy line, all the way around that center circle. Then I'm going to make another layer of petals, so I'll just do the same thing. Draw a bumpy line, or that rounded petal, right on top of that other layer. Then I can go again. And you can make as many layers as you would like for your layered flowers. You could maybe even try using a different petal shape. Now let's add some stems. So I'm going to get my colors here to do the rest of my flowers, and I want you all to make sure that your pictures are complete. So I want you to color in your flowers when you are all the way done with this project. So draw a few more flowers if you need to, and then we'll start the petals. Or we'll start the stems of the flowers. So the stems are going to come from the center part of the flower, this small circle here. So I'm going to take my pencil, put it right above, and draw a line down, and then it's going to stop when it runs into another flower. This is showing overlapping, so it's going to look like this flower is behind this flower in front here. So I stop, then I hop, then I continue that line down. Now I'm going to do it for the next. Draw down from that center spot all the way to the bottom. So add stems for each of your flowers. Good. Now we can add some leaves on our stems. So just like the petal shapes for the flowers, leaves can come in all different shapes too, and they're kind of the same. So we can have rounded petals like this. They could be big or small, one side or both sides, that's up to you. They could be pointed petals like this, so go up, down. They could be squared petals, or leaves, I mean. So fill your stems with a variety of leaf shapes. You can add lines on the leaves to make them look a little bit more realistic. Then go ahead and color in all of your flowers on something like this. You can use crayons, colored pencils, markers, whatever you choose. Add as many flowers as you want. You can add a background. You can add some grass just by drawing a zigzag line like this. That's up to you. I would just like to see a beautiful variety of flowers. I hope you have fun. I can't wait to see your work.